Do you know what love means? This is insane. You're saying things I can't explain. I know where your heart is, where you wanna be. So why do you keep testing me? It just isn't worth my time to try to make you believe me when you don't believe me. This is where I draw the line and pretend that I'm leaving. This is me leaving. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win.
Hi guys, Tracy Katie here, back with another video. Thank you so much for coming back. If you have not already, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend, because sharing is caring. So thank you guys once again for coming in and tuning into my channel. I'm going to be talking about veganuary. What is veganuary? Basically, it's becoming vegan for the month of January. And then from there, like typically, you know, when you incorporate something into your diet or try to quit or give something up, typically takes 20 to 30 days to become a habit. So if someone is going to be vegan for the month of January, it's a possibility that you're going to incorporate it into your everyday diet. So I'm going to show you what I typically eat in the day, how much protein, calories, and carbs I intake, and how much every meal typically costs. I'm just going to break the cost down for you just so you can see that it's not really expensive to be vegan. A lot of people think that it's really expensive to be healthy, and honestly, it's really not. So once again, I'm super excited you guys are watching this with me, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share with a friend, and I will see you in a second. So for breakfast, I had avocado toast and healthy juice. The avocado was about 452 calories, 39 carbs, and 9 grams of protein. The juice was 100.6 calories, 22.4 carbs, and 4 grams of protein. This gave me a total of 552.6 calories, 61.4 carbs, and 13 grams of protein. This totaled to $3.31 for breakfast, $1.27 for toast, and $2.04 for juice. So now I am watching my celery, spinach, kale, blackberries, and kiwi so I can make my juice.
Do you know what love means? This is insane. You're saying things I can't explain. I know where your heart is, where you wanna be.
I am peeling my kiwi. I'm not going to chop it up because I'm just going to throw it in a juicer anyway. So I'm just going to take the skin off of it.
My time to try to make you believe me when you don't believe me.
Let the juicing begin. I'm going to put all of my celery, blackberries, kiwi, and kale into my juicer.
This is me leaving. I'll let you win.
On a typical day, I just use celery to make my juice, but I just wanted to throw some other things in there today because I have so much produce on hand, so why not make it into a juice?
I'll let you win. I'm taking my toothbrush. How does that feel? Tell me how this can't be real. You're talking in riddles. Just let it go and trust me if you love me so. It just isn't.
Now I am just getting a spoon so I can mix together all of the vegetables and fruits so you can make sure you get all of the flavors when you drink it. Now I'm going to add about a half teaspoon of maple syrup just so it can bring a little bit of sweetness to the juice. Now I am cutting, scooping, and stirring the avocado so it can become a creamy mixture, so it will be easy to put onto the toast.
Just a friend. I'm telling you, I'm not doing this again. I'll let you win. I'ma let you win. Yeah.
Perfect, nice and creamy. Now I'm cutting my bread in half to make my avocado toast. I thought I was still recording, but I guess I wasn't. I use a tomato pesto as the base, and then I spread the avocado with some salt and pepper on top. All right, so I have my avocado toast and my healthy juice. I typically put blueberries with my avocado toast or some type of fruit, but since I made the juice, I am going to skip out on eating the whole fruit. So let's see. The flavors of this avocado toast was so good. Like every piece of ingredient really brought everything out. I was unable to talk, as you can see.
This is where I draw the line and pretend that I'm leaving.
This is so good. I love avocado toast. That's really good as well. It's like, why would you go to a restaurant and spend so much money on avocado toast? When I was traveling for work in Chicago, I got avocado toast for breakfast at the hotel, and it was $13 just for the toast. This right here. It was like, you guys overcharge for nothing. So it's New Year's Eve. I'm probably going to post this after New Year's Eve. So did you guys do anything fun? What was your New Year's resolution? Me, I want to wake up earlier. So I want to start waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm going for a run, exercising, meditating before I go to work, and try to get to work by 7:30. I typically get there about 9:15. During the non-summer months. During the summer months, I get there about 8:30 because I have to drop my daughter off at school for cheer practice. But yeah, I want to be more active, have more time in my day. So if I get to work earlier, I can leave earlier, I can be more productive in my day at home. And that's one of my goals for the New Year's. So I'm gonna finish this toast and I will see you guys at... Hi, I'm back. So it's about 10:30 and I'm kind of hungry. So I'm gonna make me a protein shake. Let's see.
I'ma let you win.
So this protein shake is 130 calories, 6 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. This costs about $1.26 for this protein shake. That is really good. So I'll see you guys at lunchtime. Bye. So I'm hosting tonight, New Year's Eve, at my house, and I've been running around all day trying to get everything together, so I was unable to eat lunch, but I was able to grab myself a quick snack. So I have some bananas, a handful of blackberries, celery, carrots, and some grape tomatoes. I typically always have these things in my house, so it's usually my go-to snack. It fills me up for a couple hours and is super healthy. So this is 111.5 calories, 27 carbs, and 4.9 grams of protein, equaling up to about $1.28 for this snack.
When you don't believe me, this is where I draw the line.
Today we are making a crispy tofu with a maple soy syrup base. It is so yummy. I'm going to pair this with a brown rice in this zesty lemon flavor. You're also going to need a very firm tofu. I got this from my local farmers market. It's a super great brand. You're also going to need rice, vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, some red pepper flakes, some fresh ginger, so you can chop them in half, salt and pepper to taste, and olive oil. So let's get started.
Tell me how.
So unfortunately my camera did stop recording in the middle of me cooking this, but as you can see I have my zesty lemon brown rice. I also added in some spinach and grape tomato sauteed, and then I have my crispy tofu glazed over in ginger and maple syrup, and then of course some lime to bring out all the flavors. I will put the ingredients and the directions on how to cook this in the description box in case you want to cook this for yourself in the future. So dinner cost $5.20. The total calorie count was 264, carbs was 53, and protein was 14.2 grams. The overall total for the day was 1,057.5 calories, 209.4 carbs, and 52.1 grams of protein. And the total amount we spent for the whole day was $11.05. That was for breakfast, 2 snacks because I did not eat lunch that day, and for dinner. So if you guys like these kind of videos, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also leave in a comment box what you thought of it, if you thought it was too pricey, if you thought it was right in your budget, if this is something you're going to try. And just let me know if you'd like to see more of these in the future. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.